Hi everybody. I'm looking terrible, but that's besides the point. So recently I just got a job and I love my job so much, and the people there, that because it's Valentine's Day, I decided to do something with all the tip money that I got. So here's a little project. Let's get to it with all of this stuff. Woo! Love you guys. Cute little baggie, almost done. And then try to stick a box of chocolate in it and pray it fits in a bag. Mom, I'm recording. Yeah, so the chocolates don't fit in the bag, so we're gonna figure out something else to do with them. But they're still gonna get them. Okay. Partially finished the baggies, and now to put the roses in the bags and tie a piece of ribbon around it and have Valentine's Day and just hand them out to them when I get to work. Yeah. Actually, you know what? It's 12 o'clock, so happy Valentine's Day! But I'm tired and I have to do something with this, so I think I'll probably do the rest in the morning before I head to work at 3 o'clock. So I'm going to wake up and put the roses in the bag, and yeah. Okay, see you later on tomorrow. Good morning. Afternoon, actually, because it's like 1 o'clock. Mom just left out. My hair is looking a hot mess. And I need to finish my Valentine's Day gifts for my coworkers, but I also need to do Mom's Valentine's Day gift, which is a DIY project of roses. So we'll see how fast I can get that done. Might be able to do like a couple. Another project to do in like less than an hour. So yeah, I'll get that done definitely. All right, here we go. Unfortunately, I was only able to make my mom one rose. She'd be more upset if I was late for work. But I was able to make her one rose as well as possible. But now I gotta finish everybody else's stuff. Hey, so in the process, Mom had a doctor's appointment, but I was able to finish